Hey, Alexus, Love Beauties, and Flawless Man. We're going to have a raw and uncut conversation. Take a break. Like, literally take a break in life in general. When we do so many different things, we're working, we're taking care of our health, we're taking care of our relationship, trying to take care of our spiritual being. We just have so many different things going on in life in general. You have to know how to balance those things out, give them all an adequate amount of time to, complete while still taking care of yourself. Like, we have to take care of ourselves. We work so hard. We have so many different things we're responsible for. But if you are not comfortable, if you're not healthy, if you don't feel energetic, if you don't feel happy, then you have other problems that you have to worry about, like health problems or attitude problems or just not being happy in life in general. Take some time for yourself. The reason why I tell y'all when I'm taking time is because that's just what we do here. We just communicate here. So I wouldn't want to just take off a whole week or two and then not say anything. And it's like, dang, is this girl still active here? So what I like to do is we like to communicate here. So anytime I'm doing something that I feel like it's, appropriate to tell you all, then I will let you know, hey, I'm going to be gone for a couple of days. I'm going to be gone for a week. I don't think it's anything wrong with that. Somebody might be looking for a video, a series, or a podcast, and you're not hearing that. You're like, oh, she must be gone. So I personally feel like it's good for me to let you all know, like, hey, I'm on a break. Hey, I'm going to, do this real quick, do that real quick. Sometimes when I'm on break, sometimes when I'm on vacations, I will upload content based on vacation, or sometimes I will not. When we are doing social media, there's people doing business on social media. You have to know how to take that break. The internet has a lot going on. Yes, there's a lot of things and a lot of different ways you can make money, but you have to make sure you're taking care of yourself. That way you're not skimming and scamming through contracts and you're just doing this, doing that. That's how we get caught up. Come on, Jesus. We get caught up because we don't have balance in our lives. And then when something just blow off the handle, we weren't prepared for it. So I get it, hustle, hustle, hustle. You don't work, you don't eat, faith without works is dead. I understand all of it. But we always forget the part where the Lord says rest. The Lord even rested after he created the world. So we have to take that break. We have to take that rest. I know when we work in a job, we like, okay, well, I got bills, I got kids, I got this and I got that, but they give us PTO. Like, we have so many different excuses, and what happens is we'll get fired from the job. People have passed away at jobs, and they just put up a new ad on Indeed. So we have to make sure that we're taking care of ourselves. We have to make sure that we never get too comfortable with anything in our lives. We have to keep ourselves actively engaged in the things that we want to do. Because when we do not, this is why we look like what we've been through. Some of us, this is why we look tired. This is why, the older people look younger than the younger people. Because it's just, this generation just got to hustle, a trap mentality. Like, and I get it. Because some of us got money problems, but we have to make sure we're taking care of ourselves. So I pray that this message have found you with wisdom and peace. Just letting you know to make sure you're taking care of yourself, take care of your family, set aside time to put the phone down, to take off of work, to do the things that you love to do because you matter and you should be enjoying your life. I don't tell y'all nothing that I don't engage in. So everything we talk about is something I'm working on. It's something I noticed in myself, something that I need to do. So like I said, y'all gonna see me dip. You gonna see me dip for a couple days. Cause I done seen it. I see it all the time. I see people go live and they're on live for 72 hours. They haven't said, hold on, I'm finna go to the restroom. Let me get something to drink. They're just on there all day, eyes are black. It's just I see it. I get it. We got to promote ourselves. We got to hustle. We got to do these things, but take care of yourself. Like, that's the most important thing to me. I always want to take care of myself because all these other things, they can come and go. But as long as you are taken care of, you can always restart them. You can always, do better to rebrand them, to reinvent them. But if you are not taken care of, none of these things will get done. I kid you not. I see so many people all day long all day long. They're on live on social media every single day. And it's like, how do you get the time to, actually go and learn? How do you get the time to actually, figure out things and do different things? And I know people make time for what they want to make time for, but I'm not trying to do that. Like, everybody think about time and breaks differently. The way I think about it is, as much as you work is as much as you need to rest. Like, it should be equal, it should be balanced. I remember I had a friend a few years ago when I seen it coming. I was like, girl, you just don't got no balance in your relationship. Like, you need to have a balance with your intimate relationship or with your friend relationship. So everything, we get 24 hours in a day. So everything within that day, you have to break down the time and get it all balanced. You don't just want to, put all your eggs in one basket and be on live on one social media platform all day. And I did that before in the beginning, but it's like, okay, where's the time for me? So make sure that you're taking time for you, no matter what it is that you're doing. And I know we have to take care of our families. Please take care of your finances also, but make sure that you're taking care of your mental, physical, and spiritual health. I just took like a whole 4 or 5 days off for here. So I will always let y'all know, because that's just what we do. I love you and God bless you.